So guys, you're welcome back to the channel. You're welcome to yet another lovely and amazing video. Today we're taking you all on making my hair. Yes, I'm making my hair today. Yeah, I'm making my hair right here. So I'm showing you the process on how my hair was made. This is like a knotless braid without gels, which is all this white gel they normally rub on the hair. It was just natural, picked from down, and it was so neat and straight. Yes, I will allow you guys to watch the video on how she made the hair so neatly. And before I forget, guys, this lady that is making my hair, she's so good. Like literally, we book her like before time. She has a lot of customers. She's so good at what she does. Like her hand is so neat. Like her hand doesn't pain. Like I literally did I made this hair, I could turn my head left, right. I slept well. Like there was no pain. There was no need of taking paracetamol. There was no need of taking painkillers. Like, oh God, her hand is so good. So if you're staying within Port Harcourt as is and you would like her to make your hair, you can let me know in the comment section and I will get right back to you. Yeah, she's so, when I mean she's good, she's good. This hair was made without no gel, like no gel, neatly braid. So I don't want to bore you guys with my story time. Let me just allow you guys to watch this video. So before I go, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment as always. Thank you guys for your love and support. I do not take them for granted. I will see you all later.